Hey everybody, first property, we're on the Tulsa Roadshow here basically. This is in Kingston, Oklahoma, which is just minutes outside of Lake Texoma here. So it's just across the Texas border into Oklahoma. This is a property, it's actually an REO, so it's been foreclosed on. The bank owns it, or the hedge fund that we deal with on this one owns it. It was built in 1974. It's on a really great sized lot, 4/10 of an acre, front and back. There's a storm shelter in the back. Kingston's not a very big city. Big high school, but you've got a lot of RV. There's a mobile home park kind of behind the house over there. You got mobile homes to the right over here. Zillow gives the value about $134,000. It's 2,012 square foot, which doesn't look like it on top, but I'm willing to bet there's probably a finished basement underneath it as well. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 74. Lender is willing to work with an investor on this. They're willing to carry or finance the purchase or joint venture with an investor, realtor coming in, who'll bring in the rehab costs, fix it up, sell it, and split profits. So if you're interested in this one in Kingston, Oklahoma on REDBUD, reach out to me. Glad to talk and help put a deal together for you. But a not bad little deal. Needs some TLC, but the bones, everything else looks pretty good in this house. It just needs some love and somebody to live in it and take care of it.